po sa inyo lahat, siyempre po kay Vice Mayor Lenlen Oreta, at sa mga konsehal po na kasama ko dito ngayon. Good evening po. Ako po si Edward de la Cruz, siyempre po, taga rito sa Barangay Lumos. Kaya ang masasabi ko lang po, iiksihan ko na lang po, dahil napakarami po magsasalita. Sana po, tulungan niyo po ako. Dahil sa tagal-tagal po ng panahon, wala pong konsehal ang Barangay Lumos. Sana magkaroon tayo ng boses at kinatawan po sa munisipyo. Sama-sama po tayo at tulungan niyo po akong lahat para rin po magkaroon ng boses sa ating mga kabataan. Maraming salamat po. At ito naman po, ito dahil nirequest niyo, okay lang ba handog ako kayo ng isang awitin? Sige. Para sa inyong lahat po. Ito naging tatako na to eh. When you done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool down run out, I'll be giving it my bestest. Nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I'm making it to gain my turn. Learn some, but I won't hesitate no more. It cannot okay ba kayo dyan, Barangay Lumos? Lahat na mga babae sumikaw! Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and then you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's our God-forsaken right to be loved, love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate ourselves. Short, this is our fate. I'm yours. Do you wanna come scooching over closer to me? And I will be your king. Sing ba 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 ba. Tongue in the mirror, when you know your likeness is the try see it clearer. But my cup got time to glass. It's your ruined face and I lie. I guess what I was saying is there ain't no better reason. Need yourself a bad and decent, just go with the seasons. What we aim to do, what is how I hurt you, but I won't hesitate no more. No more, it cannot wait. I'm yours. Well, open up your mind and see me. Open up your plans and then you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find this I sure. So please don't, please don't, please don't. There's no need to complicate. This our time is short. This is our fate. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po at magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat.
Yes! Maraming salamat po Konsehal Edward de la Cruz. Pero bago lahat ka pala.
Yes, palakpakan naman natin si Konsehal de la Cruz na inawitan niya kayong lahat.
At syempre, welcome lang tayo isa sa mga konsehal po dumating muna. Ayan na.
Of course, palakpakan po natin Konsehal Tato Espiritu. At yung mga tao po, mga taga Malabon, dito po ang okasyon. Dito